Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, you can see pile of snow has been formed in front of my house. Look at the situation of my stairs. Okay, look here, going to the backyard. Like it's like feet of snow everywhere. See towards my neighbor everywhere. I can't imagine how I'm gonna clean this. I have just come out to buy some food and see the situation right at my door. And although it is covered with canopy, still this is the situation. Oh my god, and this snow is gonna continue for I think more 24 hours more. This is one of the worst snowstorms in years here in Canada, and I have to clean. And thing is that my neighbor, my tenant, yesterday moved somewhere. I mean, moved means to spend weekend. Now his portion here, that also I have to clean because now his car is not parked here. Oh my god, too much work for me. But yeah, as an owner, I have to do this. And this is something like huge. I have never seen this in years here in Canada that I'm seeing now. Snowfall is too fast. You can see it all the way. All the hell falling here from sky. So when you come to Canada, please make sure you brace yourself. Let me see if I can show you now see when I'm stepping on it. Do you want to see how deep the snow is? See, oh my god, see, just I put my feet, see how deep my leg has gone. Oh my god, oh my god, how I'm walking. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, see when I'm walking. Oh my god, I have to go out and buy groceries in this situation. Of course, that is not something we can avoid, right? Anyway, everyone has to eat. I'll do some shoveling now, but it's too bad. Let me show you something. Oh my god, see how bad it has become. You see the pile of snow. See, half height of the tree is covered with snow. Where I'm gonna throw this snow, god knows. But yes, I have to manage. See, in front of my garage. Oh my god. Anyway guys, now it's time to go and start work. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.